Imagine you just got your paycheck. You're excited to invest it, but you're not sure how long you'll have to wait. How long does it really take for Stash to deposit your money? Stash is a popular investment app that lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds, even with small amounts of money. But the speed of deposits can be a factor when you need your money quickly. In this video, we'll dive into the factors that affect Stash deposit times and provide some real-world examples. 1. Deposit methods. Stash offers a few different deposit methods, each with its own processing time. Bank transfers. This is typically the slowest method, as it can take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days for the funds to transfer from your bank account to Stash. ACH transfers. These are electronic transfers that usually take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Debit card. This is the fastest method, with funds typically available immediately after you enter your card details. Check. If you prefer to send a check, it can take several days or even weeks for the funds to clear. 2. Stash's processing time. Once the funds reach Stash, there's a short processing time before they're available for investing. This typically takes a few hours, but it can vary depending on the volume of deposits. 3. Factors affecting deposit times. Several factors can influence how long it takes for your deposit to process. Bank processing speed. The speed of your bank's processing can affect how quickly funds are transferred to Stash. Stash's system load. If Stash is experiencing a high volume of deposits, it may take slightly longer for your funds to be processed. Weekend and holidays. Deposits made on weekends or holidays may take longer to process. 4. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of how long Stash deposits typically take, let's share some real-world examples. Example 1. John deposited $500 from his bank account via ACH transfer on a Monday. The funds were available in his Stash account on Wednesday. Example 2. Sarah used her debit card to deposit $100 on a Friday evening. The funds were immediately available for investing. Example 3. Michael sent a check to Stash on a Tuesday. The funds cleared and were available for investing the following Monday. 5. Tips for faster deposits. If you need your funds available quickly, here are a few tips. Use a debit card. This is the fastest method for depositing funds. Avoid weekends and holidays. Make deposits during the week to avoid delays. Verify your bank information. Ensure that your bank information is correct to prevent processing errors. The time it takes for Stash to deposit your money can vary depending on the deposit method, Stash's processing time, and other factors. However, in most cases, you can expect your funds to be available within a few business days. If you need your money immediately, using a debit card is the best option. By understanding the factors that affect deposit times, you can plan your investments accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.